Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making banana bread. This banana bread is not meant to be like super healthy, but it's really good. I make it all the time and all my friends love it. So yeah, let's get started. And all my friends and family love it, including my sister, and she's very picky, so that means that it's good. So what you're going to need today, you're going to need step that we're going to do is I put my oven in convection because it usually takes a long time, so that just like speeds up the process a little. And also I find it when I do that, it just cooks more evenly. So the first thing that I like to do is I like to mash the bananas. So these bananas, it's really important for them to literally be like almost brown, like black. This is not the banana. You don't want this. You want it to be super like overripe. So, because that's just what gets all the flavor in it, and yeah, so kind of looks really weird. But if it's too hard to mash, then your banana's probably not ripe enough. So keep that in mind. Gonna let that sit to the side, and we're gonna grab our canola oil, which we're gonna put 1 cup into this kitchen mixture. So 1 cup of the canola oil, and this you want to do first because it's always oil and the sugar that goes together. It's kind of the same thing as butter and sugar. It's always the first thing, and you always need to get that mixed really well before you do anything else. Have half a cup of your granulated sugar and half a cup of your brown sugar. And you can also do 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup granulated sugar. I just find that with trial and error, this is just the way that the texture works out the best. We're gonna get our 3 eggs, and I'm just gonna, you want to make sure to crack them on a flat surface, or else you're gonna get a lot of eggshells. The thing that you're gonna add is your it's gonna look really like gross and like separated at first, but yeah, you just really have to mix it with that. Depending on the sugar that you used, it's gonna be a lighter or a darker color, but don't be too concerned if the color isn't exactly like this, but that's kind of how the texture should be. So this is exactly what you want it to look like. I think it's gone through, I don't know, 3 minutes of just stirring. Yeah, you could do this yourself, but I find that the automatic mixer is a lot better. So now we're gonna get to the dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, you're gonna need 2 cups of flour. This goes for 2 cups of white flour, not flour. Not all flour is made the same. The whole wheat flour you have to use less of because it's a lot more dense. So I don't know if you're using like almond flour or coconut flour, date flour. I don't even know if that's a thing, but it's all gonna be different. So yeah, I do 2 cups if I'm using the white flour, and then like about a cup and a half, a cup and 3/4 if I'm gonna do the whole wheat flour. But first though, I'm going to add
We've got 2 seconds to hit the surface of the sun. Hold on to the moments that make us 2 instead of 1.
So now that you're done mixing, you're gonna grab your like bread pan or whatever. So I filled it up about like halfway. You see, it's kind of like still moving around. It's not like super thick. Yeah, so this is probably gonna go in the oven for about 45 minutes. The main test is just to put in the toothpick or the fork or whatever and have it come out clean. So yeah, but no, it's just gonna go in there. So this is the finished product. It's a little burnt because my mom left it in the oven for too long, but as long as it's cooked on the inside, and the burn adds like a good, I don't know, flavor. So why not?
I'll just try another line. 'Cause I'ma find my own way home. Can tell you if you wanna know. I'll just turn the lights out cold.
Banana bread Dunkin' coffee.
I'll just turn the